Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by equipping Vampire with focused upgrades. Install the highest torque motor and a battery that balances range and burst power. Once done, adjust chassis tuning to lower center of gravity so cornering holds better under boost. Make sure gear ratios favor acceleration early. This is where Vampire shines in skirmishes. Pair soft tires for grip on twisty tracks, or swap to harder rubber for long maps. You'll feel the difference immediately when you apply throttle. Control, not raw speed, wins fights. Now you refine Vampire's performance through mid-game tuning and tactical rhythm. Redistribute weight slightly rearward to improve traction under boost, and upgrade cooling to prevent overheat during sustained bursts. Once stable, practice staggered power deployment. Hit throttle in controlled pulses to preserve battery while keeping pressure on opponents. Make sure to change gearing per map. Shorter circuits use lower final drive, longer maps use higher top-end gearing. Mix aggressive corner entries with conservative exits, so you maintain speed without burning. Finish by validating Vampire with consistent test runs. Complete 3 full laps and note temperatures, lap time delta, and top speed behavior. Then tune iteratively. Tighten steering response if you need quicker turn-in, or add rear stability for high-speed sections. If you encounter understeer, shift aero toward the front and soften rear springs. If overheating appears, dial down boost spikes and add one cooling upgrade or a lighter battery to reduce load. Troubleshoot methodically and retest after each change until performance is repeatable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.